From the Storm Team 6 Tracking Center, I'm meteorologist Todd Glasson. It's a Storm Team 6 alert day, as there will be the potential for 2 rounds of showers and thunderstorms for some of you. They should be on an isolated basis, and the storm should stay below severe criteria, but some hail will be possible as these storms move through. First rounds this morning, the second rounds later on this afternoon into the evening hours. In between, skies are partly to mostly cloudy. It's a mild day for us with a high of 61 in the city, warmer to the south. So here's how the storms kind of fizzle across the area this morning, but a few heavier downpours will be possible for some of you with a little bit of lightning and small hail. Then a break through the middle half of the day. Additional storms will start to flare up in northern locations throughout the afternoon and early evening hours. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, a high temperature right around 54 to 55 degrees, putting us once again above normal with just a small shower chance as we head into tomorrow afternoon. But the overall forecast is going to be very spring-like, and today is the first day of spring. The one exception is Wednesday. It's sunny but cool at 43 degrees, then back into the mid-50s on Thursday, mid to upper 60s on Friday, with showers and storms a possibility during the day on Saturday.